nothing. Open your mind up, girl.
Tell me all about it.
I'm just saying, you listen. If you want to be one of the people just left behind, don't want to just ones who just don't want to believe shit like, oh nah, I just want to just I'm just gonna live like this. And I don't want to believe nothing. Remember the movie The Matrix? They try to tell your ass in The Matrix. Take the blue pill. I'll open your mind up to all the shit that's real. You take the red pill. You stay the fuck you are and just keep living in the fucking fake ass world and don't want to believe shit. That motherfucker took the blue pill. He want to know what the fuck was real. And when he took the blue pill, his mind was opened up. He understood what the fuck was going on. You need to take the motherfucking blue pill to stop that shit. You know? You need the blue pill like a motherfucker. Every time I show you, say, I don't believe that shit. That's just some bullshit. You can't. The facts is right on the damn computer. Right there. The facts is right in your fucking face. You still don't believe shit? Alright. I ain't got shit else to say about it.
It's scaring my dog.
You don't saw that movie.
See how my dog is scared, sitting right next to me?
He just wants some motherfucking
Scaring
food.
my dog.
I'm just saying.
With
I'm trying to put you on.
I'm
just saying. I'm trying to put you on game. I'm trying to put you on game for real. Let you know what the fuck going on in this world. You think the government gonna really tell you every motherfucking thing that's going on, everything that's true, everything that they doing, every time they make a fucking move, they just want to put it on the news. Oh yeah, we about to go do this. Oh yeah, we doing this and doing that. Get the fuck out of here. They don't tell us shit. They tell us what they want us to know. All that bullshit about some. Just last week about some. Oh yeah, we thinking about setting up colonies on Mars right now. So in 10 years, we're gonna send the first crew of people to Mars to start a new colony on Mars. Get the fuck out! You think they just gonna start that shit just now? They done been doing that shit since the motherfucking early 40s. You know, want to tell us that they ain't been to Mars, they just now going there. Oh, we ain't been to the moon since 1972. Yeah, we went up there, yeah, the moon up there, yep. We set up and shit, we set up shop. Oh, really? We ain't been there since 1972? Really? Get the fuck out of my face. Fuck out of here with that bullshit. Really? Since 1970, it just ain't been there, right? Why you put a fucking flag up there then? What the fuck the flag about? Well, because you want nobody else to go to the motherfucking moon to say, oh, damn, there's some shit going on up here. No, they put that flag up there because they don't want Russia to go up there and set up shop because we had to claim the moon because they know what the fuck going on up there. So they keep shit on low, to keep shit secret. Oh, yeah, we got to the moon, we put a flag on it. Y'all can't go up there now. Y'all got to cancel y'all space program. Get the fuck out of here.
Okay, now smile pretty.
Whatever, man. I'm just saying.
Come on. Give me a little smile.
Yeah.